ሰላም ክቡራት ተኸታተልቲ ናይ ዝመደብ ንሕጂ ኸ ከምቲ ኣብ ቀረባ ግዜ ዝጀመርክዎ ድልያ መጻምት ዝብል መደብ ሒዘልኩም መጽእ ዘለኹ ክልተ ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ኣወዳት ክመርጻ ዝመጻ ተሰሪዖም እዮም ዝምረጹ ሒዘልኩም መጽእ ኣለኹ ዘረባ ብዘይ ምብዛሕ ተኸቢልና ኣብ ኣኽወስቱኩም
We over 2, but there's still hope. Contestant number 3, come on out, please. All right, here's your mic. Name, age.
إذا قالس وقع حدا يقولكم كم زقدم أب إلمنتاري خلنا قال أب جونيور سكول جلسي كم زم شالو نفعت تمرتي مسحفت حدش تمسي قال تعدل قال قوم وين أنا ترأيكم كم تفلطوا قال أب قال قوم وين تسمعتنا حنت قال مثل النزيات مثل أبز برلماني عاد إنجليز أبال بايتوريا قال
What you do for a living and 3 fun facts about yourself.
Well, my name is Taylor. I am 27. I'm a media specialist. And a fun fact, I guess, I'm Jamaican and British.
Okay.
I love to go ahead and make people smile. And also I love traveling.
Okay, where are some of the places you travel to?
تلزي تايلر يا شيما قال 27 عامتها دغنا جامايكاويت انجليزاويت يا مالتي دغنا ميديا سبيشاليست صراحه ስለዚህ ምሳናውን መታሐዝ ከሉ አኸልዩ ንሰባት ካኒ ፍሽኽ ከብሎም ደስ ይዝብለኒ አትብዘላ ኦኬ ፍሽኽ ከብሎ የማይብሉን ግሬም ኢና
I've been to the Bahamas, Jamaica. I've also been to France. I've been to Italy and I've also been to Switzerland.
Beautiful.
ብዙሓት ሃገራት ያ በጽሓ ዘን ክጠቅሰን ጸንሐት
What are some of your non-negotiables? You took a deep sigh there.
Well, non-negotiable for me is he probably has to have himself together. He has to be, an all-around nice guy. And he has to love his family.
Okay.
حجسي أواقع على جزيت أتويوس أبتي ود السقطرليو خلوا له تبليو الوا سقا أنت أتبزلا مقول الكخون على له عندنا خاني وحس كخون على له أتبزلا خمس مش على له سقيل أتهاو وتأي عقرقر قال رجوع زخون سرح زي والقال السبسي أيتدلني أبل علي خاني ناس سدرا بيت سب كخون على له سدروس كفوت تخفكر خلا على له تبلا لا نخيد ليش أقول ستقالة تينا بزن رزلنا خامة أخذ كون تاقول داين رأيه.
I think that's pretty good. And then just really quick to take a deeper dive, give me like a brief definition of having himself all together. What does that look like for you?
For me, I guess you have to have ambition. You have to have drive. You have to go ahead and just have a game plan.
Okay.
Be a good strategic thinker.
All right. Thank you.
لذي ننوح زمع دوا استراتيجي بلانز اللي هو سب خونا اللي هو يعتبر كم زي انت عايز ابزو على زحدر قال ملا ابزو ما سيو زدرر قال سب ايدلني يعتبر
All right, fellas, turn around and meet contestant number 3. All right.
What? سايز ولا ساقم ودي زي ما حجز انتاي تبلو بتري ترحدي حدا جن الله ايتوكوسان الله مثلني نسو بعد صعدا ايتوكوسان
Okay. All right. Let's start down here. We normally start over here. Come on with me. Come on. Name, age, what you do for a living, and why you popped your balloon.
My name is Justice. I'm 25, and I own an apparel company. Pop my balloon. Initial attraction isn't there. I don't think like if I was out, I would approach you, but that's just my preference. That's all.
Okay. All right. And
حجي زسوز ود 25 عامه عندي سحاب النت اي سحاب كنني زبلا زلو
what kind of women are you like normally attracted to? Because earlier you said you gave us that you didn't like women with children or like the age gap was over 5. It was too much. So give us like a little quick.
Yeah, I don't really have a type. It's just more so just that initial attraction. I mean, no, yeah, like I said, I don't have like a physical type, but just someone, who I see I can see myself with, long term. That's the thing.
All right, appreciate it. And if you saw him out and he approached you, would this be someone you would entertain?
Not really, just friend.
Just a friend? All right, why not?
እስخ ከምዛ ዓይነት ወድስ ከመይ ትርእዮ ኢልዋ ዋ እዚ ከም መሓዛይ እንተ ዘይኮይኑስ ምዝ ዝኾነ ክገብራ ይክእልኒ እያ ትብል ዘላ ንሱ ግን ማለት ብተዘዋዋሪ እኮ ፅብቕቲ ኮንክን እንዲ ዝብላ ነታ ፅብቕቲ ኮንክን ግን 3-4 መፅሓፍ ዝኸውን በቃ ሽፍንፍንፍን የብልዋ ፅብቕቲ ኣይኮንክን ብዓይነይስ ፅብቕቲ ኮንክን ዘይታ ማለት ኣግሂድካ እሳ እኮ ተረዲእዋ ኣለኹም ትብላ ከም ዘላ ግን በቃ ፅብቕቲ እኺ ግን ኣነ ክሪኦ ከለኹስ ምሳይ ገደመለ ገለ
Just a friend. He's not my type, but
Okay. What type of men are you into?
I love guys that are like light skin, Hispanic.
All right, cool. Okay. Name, age, what you do for a living, and what?
Oh. ጋሰብ ዚያ ጽልም ዝበለ ሰብ ገለስ ኣይትፈቱን ያ ማለት ዲ ከመይ ኣትብዘላ መስልኩም ከምዚ ምሻሉ ሓንፈጽ ዓይነት ወይ ከኣኒ ናብዞም ላቲኖ ገጹ ዝኸደ ገለ ሰብ ከመይ ኣትፈቱ ዋ እንታይ ዝበለ ፀገሚ እንታይ ኢሎሞ ሓፂርን እንተበልኩስ እንታይ ተደቢሩ ስዕሰሊ ዝበሃል ኩሎም ተኩሶም እንዳርኣያቶም ዝተማርፅካ ኣላ
You popped your balloon.
How you doing?
Hi, I'm
My
good.
name is Michael, 31, military, an army, model, actor. It's just preference, basically. You know, you have yours, I have mine, and that's pretty much what it is. You know. Yeah.
Okay. All right, appreciate it. And right here, name, age, what you do for a living, and why you popped your balloon.
So, how you doing? My name's John. I'm 27. I'm a full-time artist, self-employed, independent contractor. I love the hair, beautiful, matches the nails. I see you, you did your thing. I know you came out here prepared. I love that. So yeah, just not my attraction. And
ሕጂሲ ኣግሂዶም ሰኣን ምንጋር ቶግ ተሮግ ዝበሃል ኣሎ ሓቂ ንሰብ ትነግሮ እዝን እዝን እዩ ከምዝን እዩ ግን ምቁሉልነት ስለ ዘሎ ድዩ ወላ ስክፍታታት ኣለዉ ዓለም ናይ በቐዳማ ኢኹም ርኢኹሞ ንስኺ ኣስናን ክጥዑ ኣይኮነን ገለ ዝብ ዝነበረ ወዲ ርኢኹሞ ዶ ርያት ከምዚ ምሻሎ ሓደ ግዜ ፊልተር ዘይብሉ ሰብ ኣድላይ እዩ ፀገምካ ርኢኻ ሽዑ ስኻ ከዓ ክተመዓራሪ ትፍትን ወይ ከዓ ያ ሰብ ኣነ በቃ ኣይቅይርን እየ ሰብ ተፈቲኒ ይፍተወኒ ተፀሊእኒ ከዓ በዓል ፈልጥ ትብል እንድሕር ኮንካ ከዓ ትኸይድ ማለት እዩ ሓቂ ግን ሓደ ግዜስ ክወፅእ ኣሎ ቀፂልና ክንከይድ ኢና ናብ ካልእ
Ready, guys? No peeking. Keep your head straight, and don't turn around until I tell you. Contestant number 4, come on out, please. And here you go. This is your mic.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Name, age, where you from, and what you do for a living.
Hi, my name is Maggie. I'm 34 years old. I am by profession a massage therapist and by
ማሳጅ ተራፒስት እዚኣ ኣድላይት እያ ንወዲ ብፍላይ እዚኣ ገዳሲት እያ ጓል 34 ዓመት እያ ከዓ
passion. I am an actor.
Okay, awesome. Name some
What's
other
that?
fun facts about yourself.
I like to be in water. I like to do fun activities. You know, I am off during the weekdays, so weekends don't work for me. But, you know, I like to do same things that any other person likes to do, activities like art or, you know, do random things and explore the city.
Okay.
Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Boca, doesn't matter.
That's awesome. All right, so
ምዝንጋዕ ትፈትያ ኣብ ማይ ዘለዎ ቦታ ምዝንጋዕ ቅብኣ ወዲ ቅብኣ ዶ ገለ ዝተፈላለየ ዝኾነ ሰብ ዝገብሮስ ክገብር ይኽእል እየ እያ ትብል ዘላ
what's some red flags, some deal breakers that you don't see yourself dealing with?
Red flags would be 3 or more children.
Okay.
Another red flag would be
ሕጂ ቀይሕ መስመር ትብልየሱ እንታይ እዩ ዝብላ ዘሎ ኣብ ሓደ ወድስ ዘይትደልዮ ቆልዑት እያ ትብል ዘላ ቆልዑት ሲ ካብ 3 ንላዕሊ እንድሕር ኣለዎ እያ ትብል ዘላ ሕሰቦ ክልተ ተቐቢላት እያ ወይ ስለዚስ ቆልዓ ክህልዎ ኣለዎ ማለት እዩ ዘለዎ እያ ትኾን እምበር ሓንቲ ውላድ ዝኾነ ቆልዓ ዘይብላሲ ንሓደስ ካብ 3 ንላዕሊ ተኮይኖም ኣይደልን ክልተ ግን ገደብ ጌራትሉ
machismo energy, meaning that like if you are just, you know, arrogant or too aggressive would be the word that I would choose. Those are my red flags.
Okay, and
ከምዚ ትዕቢተኛ እንደገና ከምዚ ኮይኑ ተጓናጽ ሰብ ገለ እንድሕር ኮይኑ ከዓ ኣይፈትኒ እያ ትብል ዘላ
one of your red flags, just to dial back, you said 3 or more kids. Do you have any kids yourself?
I don't have any children.
Okay, just let the guys.
ቆልዓኻ የብላን ርኢኻ ልክዕ እታ ዝበልናያ ሓቲትዋ ካብ 3 ንላዕሊ እንድሕር ኣለዎ ክትብል ፀኒሕኩም ቆልዑት ኣለክድ ኢልዋ የብለይን ትብላላ ካበይ ኣምፅያታ ርእታ ቁፅሪ نخلته بزن كم جا غير حزو مخيل يمو بخلته ጨቢጠ ሳልሳይ እንድሕራሎ
No. All right. All right, guys, turn around. Meet contestant number 4.
Hi guys. Hi.
All right. Okay, we got no pop. Okay. All right, we got one pop. Spoke too soon.
زود زي قد ما كلهم ياتتكوس እንደ حبشا خامسل زغونه ከምዝ ንዕዘቦ ዘለና ኣብታ ናይ ቀዳመይቲ ዝነበረት ናይ መናሽማ ቴይለር ዳርጋ ኩሎም እዮም ተኩሶም ሓደ ሰብ ጥራሕ ይዘይ ተኮሰ ነይሩ ኣብ መወዳእታ ከዓ እሱ ተኩሱ ይመስለኒ ተኩሱ ንገዛስ ወላ ሓደ ብዘይ ፍሬያ ኸይዳ ኣብዚኣ ግን ሓደ ሰብ ጥራሕ በቃ ተኩሱ ዋሎ እምበር ተም ካልኦት ንሪኦም ኣለና ቁሩብሲ ማለት ናይ ትርኢት ነገር ስሒቦም ከም ዘሎ ኢኻ ትዕዘብ
Let's go down real quick and just see why you popped.
All right.
Name, age, what you do for a living, and why you popped your balloon.
Yeah, my name is Justice. I'm 25, and I own an apparel company. Maybe just the age gap. I think it's just too broad for me. I'm 25, 34.
I dig it.
So.
I dig it. No.
اوكي قال 34 عام ስለ ዝኾነት ሱኻ ወድ 20 ክንደይ 25 ይገለይ ስለዚህ ናይ ዓመት ናይ ዕድመ ፍልልዩ ንዓይ ኣተኩስኒ ዝብል ዘሎ ስሙ ከዓ ፍትሒ ዝበሃል ጃስቲስ ኢሎም ኣሎ
That's all it is. You're beautiful, though.
Thank you. You too. You're handsome.
Have you ever dated a man that young?
I ain't never dated them, but
Okay. Well, keep it 100. I appreciate your honesty. That's cool. All right, and then if it wasn't an age gap, and if it wasn't an age gap, would this be someone you would approach? If it wasn't an age gap, and would this be someone you would talk to?
I think he is very handsome. Yes. There is a serious age gap, about 10-year difference. So I'm not trying to scale back, but you are.
Rob the cradle.
Yeah, no, I ain't there yet. Nah,
Okay, okay.
I ain't there yet.
All right. If it wasn't an age gap.
Yeah, she's beautiful. I mean, yeah.
Thank you.
But yeah, the age gap.
Okay.
It's too big for me. Yeah.
Appreciate you being honest. Come on, let's backpedal it back.
ያ ዕድመ እንተዘይ ኮይኑ ካልእ ወላ ሓንቲ ፀገም ይብለኝ ይብላሎ
All right, do you have a question for the guys? Something quick I can ask everybody. You can get to know them a little bit more.
What's your idea of a first date? Ooh,
Great
good
question.
first date.
Name, age, what you do for a living, and your idea of a first date.
My name is Alex. I'm 33. I work at the nightlife and I have my own business. And for a first date, I'm actually very spontaneous. Sometimes I do it on the fly. Sometimes I could go ahead and plan something out very nice.
So what's an example of like a previous spontaneous first date?
ናይ መጀመርያ ቆፀራናስ እንታይ ምገበርካ ገለ ኣትብሎ ዘላ ተዋጥሮ ያ ዘላ እሱ ከዓ እንሻሎ ብልክዕ እዚ ክገብር ከይበልኩስ ከም ሰርፕራይዝ ነገር ኣኸሎ ስፖንታኒየስ ዝኾነ ነገር ምግባር ዝፈቱ ይዝብ ዘሎ ሓንሳብ እንታይ ኢሉ ብነፋሪት ምብራር ክኸውን ይኽእል ኣብ ገለ ሬስቶራንት መኻድ ክኸውን ይኽእል ገለ ማለት ዝተፈላለዩ
One of the best dates I had was actually went for ice cream at the Hard Rock. They had this nice little ice cream spot where they mix liquor with the ice cream, and then I went to the beach and we were in the water, skinny dipping in the moonlight. Yeah.
Pier 15?
ቅድሚ ሕጂ ገይርዎ ዝነበረ ቆፀራ ከምዚታትሲ ኣይስክሬም ብሓንሳብ በሊዕና ብኡ ቢልና ከዓ ናብ ገምገም ባሕሪ ኸይድና ተዘናጊዕና ገለ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ስለዚ ካብቲ ሓደ ፅቡቕ ተዘክሮ ናይ ቆፀራ እዩ ዝገልጽ ዘሎ
Vibes. All right, name, age, what you do for a living, and your idea of a first date.
I'm Jai, 27, social media content coordinator at a creative agency. I actually just had a first date. It was pretty good. Sent a calendar invite. It's a smooth move. And then I took her to Peanut Island. So we went paddle boarding across to the island, and then we had a picnic on the beach island part, and then paddleboard back, and we watched Deadpool and Wolverine after.
How cute.
እዚ ከዓ ናብ ባሕሪ ምወሰዳ ነይሩ ኣብ ሓደ ደሴት ከይድና ከዓ ፒክኒክ ገለ መለ ብሓንሳብ ኮይና መበላዕና ድሓር ከዓ ምተመለስና ገለ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ማይ ፎቱ እዩ ዝመስል
So the first date got to go above that. You know what I mean? Don't be doing what you did last time.
I mean, you can't recycle. I ain't no recycle ass bitch. But
Okay.
sorry.
Name, age, what you do for a living, and your idea of a first date.
My name is Courtney. I'm 30. I work for American Airlines. I also make enough to say I'm a musician and a content creator.
Okay.
My first date is always Cooper Hawk. I love wine. I feel like it's a safe location for them to feel comfortable, you know what I'm saying, get in the zone as well. Wine makes things a little more comfortable as well. Then after that, there's a spot in Dania I go to. Sayedos would be cool. If she's more, you know, outwardly with it, they have bowling and stuff like that. We can go there as well. So that would be my first date.
All right. I'm very familiar with the Dania Beach
Dania
area.
Point? Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, Dania Beach.
ኣብ ገለ ቦታ እታ ቦውሊን ጥራሕ ኢና ሒዝና እምበር ካልእ ብዙሕ ሓዝናዮን ዘለና ዝብልዎ ዘለዉ
Lush. Name, age, what you do for a living, and your idea of a first date.
I'm Ali. I'm 28, and I'm a filmmaker.
ኣብዚ ዘለዉ ብምሎም ኣብዚ ዝመፁስ ኣነ ካብቲ ዝገርመኒ ማለት እዩ ኣነ ነዳቓ ገለ ዝብ ዘይትሰምዕ كم زي مشالو اب تحت تكال كوينو زسرح كم زي لك كاب ساعات كاب نغو حساب مشيت كم زي كله سب سرعه زسرحو جلس هذا زموت زيتري كلهم سي تكال علني كم زي زسرح ما كم زي نا سوشيال ميديا همزناتنا مالتي علني كم زي لن نطرحو وا منا مخان غزي ولا انتم مساكين زم نرس كوينوم قال كوينوم زورت تراك حدا لو زوار تراك بقدام يدرا انا ينبر غزي ولا منا بكم زخساتو
And, you know, a nice little dinner somewhere. Usually Rusty Pelican or Olivia. Shout out y'all. Y'all owe me a check for that. You know, but, you know, I like to sit down and get to know my date better first before I continue anywhere else.
Okay.
That's very important to me. Right. And, you know, get to know your values and where your mind's at.
Okay. Dope.
نايز صففتي نابزي صففتي قدمي نابز خونه يكون سقمتات وسيله نقدميت مخادي من موهانك خفلت اكس لزدلي مساخي ززاربولو زمايطولو زفالطولو موچو كونتات كفطر يزدلي زبزلو زي اخات حقنيا مالتي زي اخات حقنيا نحنت قال اب قداماي قصراخا $400-500 نحرات فيك الله جنب دحريو كان عها 5 تكون نحرفيت كامن منتاي وا
Communication. That's awesome. Name, age, what you do for a living, and your idea of a first date.
Sure. How you doing? My name is John. I'm a full-time self-employed artist. I write poetry. And so idea of a first date, I'm all about the beach. I love the beach. I love to get in the water. I love anything active, you know, rock climbing, maybe the arcade, do something different, something challenging, something to get your brain moving. We can talk, get stimulated.
زغا حكوري دلي زبزلو غو خالقون اب جمجم بحر مزنقعون يفوتيو موسيقانيا يغا
A little bit, head to the crib, maybe have a nice dinner. I like to cook as well, so maybe we do a little cook-off, talk about some good meals. Oh.
حج انتاي زبزلو بحنساب كوينا غا موداتا بحنساب كوينا ون مغبي خنسرح قال نخيلي نايلوا مايت دحريت قصورهم قال ملس دحار كم زريا زلخو نغزا حيزوا خيد قال ملك كالون تسلوط اندي حجي نساغا انا ايكشنن يمغبيات بزل اغيدا بيلا مالتي حجي ابزي زلها كلها كم زريا زلخو فتاويت مغبيا
Well, are you willing to learn? Well,
All right, too.
She can't cook. Yeah.
I didn't say I can't cook. I said I don't cook. I'm an eater outer.
That's even worse.
That's all right.
okay. All right.
Appreciate you though. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
زيا كلن دق انسيو خفلتا زلوا نغريا ولا حدا ودي كشنو يخال نحدار تخونو زدلي كشنا تخيل قال مخشان تفوت قال يزدلي ولا سو يخال له خشنو بزي قدس مانياتو حدارك تقبر قلعوق تولد قال تحسب نحر الله هونكا اب حنقول كاز مص كشنا تخيل نعخان دقخان مغبي خسرح تخيل ادي خاتدلي سلازي زيهم كان لكعكم سلازدولي خات روغروغ ابيلومو ابزلنا يا ساعات كمزي حمقات نغر قال يزوسد كمزي مغبي مسراح ندقخا نسدرخا قال ادت غورو اديتاتنا زغورو زنبراسي ابز حجي وان كمزي بقى نسخ مغبي زي سرح قال ملا يزبالل حسبو نامنت مندق حبري يلخ اندحر تبايل من يلخ تودخ لخي سلازي بزح نغراسي تماقيلك خسرحو تخيل نغري بحافش خطر يخولان كابتي لمدታት አባና ጥራሕ ዘይኮነ ኣብዙሓት ደቂ ተባዕትዮ ጓል ክትክሽን ትጽቢት ኣለዎ ማለት እዩ ተረግሮካ ኣቢሎም ኣትሪኡለኹም ኣይክሽንን ኣነ ኣይትሕሰቦ ያላት እዚ ራም መብዓለ ክንዲ ኣፍ ደገኺ ንድሕሪ ትሽግጥ ታዕቢልክ ትሽግጥ እዮ ዘለኺ
Name, age, what you do for a living, and we pretty much already know why you popped your balloon.
How you doing? My name is Michael. I'm in the military, the Army. I'm an actor and a model as well.
Okay.
Well, we already got the reason why I popped. Like pretty much it. Like hopefully though we could like link up though and talk about like some type of scenes or something that we can create together. And
then
like
I cook for you?
I mean, if you don't cook, I mean, hey, we could cook. Yeah, I mean, hey, I can cook, so I'll cook for you. You know.
But you already popped your balloon, so I guess you can't cook for me.
Yeah, I mean, hey, after this we can talk.
Oh, we'll see.
All right.
حجي زي عندي تصلع أنا ناوي حجي حل كس 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 توكي سوامش أنا اسمه قبل أيكشنني يا مسؤولة توكي سواي حجي نو بحنساب كوينا 5 تجبرنا خنتي على لو قلب توكي سكان دخ أنا بيجي ويلود حجي دايز مسيركم تخبط قاب كند منقار تسلكا نحنت ليت أنت سلت أثني لودي ولا أنت يردا كان نسقى بكا توكي سكان دخ أنت أخذت زل حاجة ولا ድሌታት ነግረኩም ኣላ ተሮጋ ቢላታ ድሌታት ሲ ተቀበሎ ኣይ ተቀበሎ ካናት ካውሳኔ ኣይ ቀበሎን ኢልካ ካተኩስካ እስከደሓነቶም ካለ ንስማዕ
All right.
So
Find the time to be in the kitchen and marinating chicken and cutting up vegetables, and that's just not how I rock.
ኣነሲ ግዜ የብለይን እያ ትብሎም ዘላ እዚ ደርሆም ፂኻ ገለምል ቀመማ ወዲ ቀመም ምግባር يحمل تمسيخا مقردادو قلمل نزي خون غزي بلين اي نايكم سبا يكون كون ياتبلهم زلا مو كساب قال 34 سينجل زل خدا هو بعلنا زين نقرك تمخنيات دا بعلنا زين نقرك يلن ودي ختركب بتاع مخبيدي انا ساي كشنني قالت بالقوال كركب كمرعو حدار قبل الله زل ودي وحودي بتاعمي وحودي زي دليتن أبايت هذولو نجار ننبيني كم زي سقول كم عرنا دو قالك بحالي خالي أبايت هم مسيخات رياجن كالي نعود تثبيت كالي سلازي يا مو أنا بك عيدلني عند حريق خاصاب ودو خوم تحساسات ري بعلو أبكشنا أنا خسرح مجبي قال خساب جمر كتبي أنت الكخا بساعة عالم كتر كويك يا حمزة دري هذولو
Follow up? You like meet halfway? Do you do the dishes then? Like
I don't cook in a dirty kitchen, period. So, and that's another thing. So, you know, if there's a kitchen to cook in, it has to be clean, and I keep my space clean. But, you know, when if it's clean and I got a plate to go already, then I just sit on the couch and eat.
So if I went ahead and went crazy in the kitchen and cooked something up, you know.
انت تبزلا كتتصرغن دلوتيا انا ابنسخ عند حركشنكا قلمله كتتصريو نتخشينه قله دلوتيا نحرا صرياتو ግን ኮፊላ ምግብ ምጽባይ ጥራይ ሕዝደልያ ትብዘላ ኣብ ሳሎን ኮፊለ ቲቪ እናራኣኹ ምግብ ምጽባይ ጥራይ ሓስረሕ ትብዘላ ነዚያ ዝቅበላ ወድስ ኣሎዶ ኣይመስለንን ይርዳኒዩ ክልቲኻ ትሰርሕ እንድሕር ኮንካ ኣሸጋሪ ሕጂ ብኾም እኳ ኢንሻአሎ ክትሪኦ ከለኻሲ ሰብኣይን ሰበይትን ክልቲኦም ካብ ንጎ ክሳብ ምሸት ኣብ ስራሕ እንድሕር ኮይኖም انت عينت نابرايو نمنتا خاون قلعو تولد قله اشغاري سلازي تمقارحكا تمهاخير كاسي حادي خاب غزا خوف كتبلا لك وي كا بارت تايم طرح كسرح كتكلا لك
do you baby
You gonna clean it up for me? Oh
yeah halfway
go rock with that.
And why'd you pop?
For me, it was the eating out too much. So for me, it's like I can cook, but I would like let's say I work 20 hours a day and you're not really trying to cook. I'm getting home, I'm tired, then I gotta cook too. You know,
you work 20 hours a day.
I'm a very busy gentleman. Yeah.
نايز خاب عالم زي 10 ساعات نمعلتي السرحي ولا لا 10 ساعات نمعلتي كمي مالتي ماشين دخا حجي جن انت عايز بزولو بزغونه دخيمه وعيل 10 ساعات سريحه مصي قال ملس اندحر مغو السرح زي تخلو خونكسي ايتدلينني خيبلالو وا نعبا قدف 10 ساعات صغرامو دقخا خماني خعبيهم 10 ساعات تبل وا تايزو سكم هذا 10 ساعات تسرح اندحر كويدسي انتي هوتا انتي حدارات ليو تاخ قبري خن غزاز مص او زي دق سابتي سرحالو زلو ن4 ساعات يلقى مصي خاص انت عينت نابراي خاط غزا حدار تاي مالدي حدار مالتي كو غنزب ددربي خا مخات غله طرح ايكونن مسدرخا خوفيلكا درار تبلعالو مس حدا غزي تبلعالو سدرا بيتاوي زخونه ركبات سخلوكا خلالو 10 ساعات يسرح نحريلكا غن نسقا ناي سراح كمزي وركهوليك زبال مشالو كمزي ولف ناي سراح زلو سبخا سلازي حدار كغبر ازيو اشغاري ولا انت غبركا خا تطح زخونه حدار كلوكا صقامي
What do you do again?
Oh, I work in the nightlife and then I have my own business. And
Okay.
Yeah, I do a lot.
Entrepreneur.
So, yeah.
All right. Do you have any questions for him?
How old are you again?
I'm 27. Yeah, I'm a baby for sure.
It's all good. You can't be rocking the cradle like that.
Okay, let's go.
All right. You want to pop? You got your pick? You got always coming from.
حدا عقل غيرو تتصبي اذا ودز كلني عقل زغبر اندي قال عقل له تتصبيو امو داتا كن طليماتو ود 27 عامتي ناي 7 عامت فللي مالتي سلازي ني اسكا تبلولا ني اسكا وا مو سيغا تقبلك زلو ني اسكا لك نزنت نحرسوكيو حدا خا انت مسيو عابخا كتبلي حدا خا ندحر مسيو وا 34 نخبصح كزلخ قدفي
Behind the airway?
You know how I do it, baby.
All right.
Sorry.
All right, so it's just the age thing.
It's just the age. I'm just at the point in my life where I can't really date backwards. Nothing against you. You're very handsome. I'm sure you have your life together and everything, but I just can't scale backwards.
Okay, and if it wasn't for the age,
أبزيا حق مالت حق أنا مزراب عندي تي معرنة تقلق كلنا أوالد كلها ألوانا دك يرداني حجي تي معرنة دو قلق زبهال وتصبح خسر حلو خم يكونن معرنة ما خم يكونن ود زجبر له قال تجبره نجر الله ود تبعتها كاب قال تصبيه له قال نسيت خود تصبيه نجر الله سلذي نسات خود تصبيه خد رخبه خد كلا الله أنا سقات كاب سبيتي خاب قال تصبيه كرك بخلا الله زدولي نجر الله مالت سلذي أبزي خان صاد تسامع خات خيرن بر مالتي تثبيتون السوح عند قال نسيتي تخشين سدرا ما قبت تسرح قال ندحر كوينو نزق تقبر زي تخل ندحر كوينا 900 تبعتي وخا خمي تثبيتهم اي مرصاني ولا انا من تاي صبغت زي تخون دا صبغت نيرا بصوره خوينا قال يا خا تبل مشالو تاخات مغباهم قال اندي وا انت ملكه طرح اذا ططو قوم يوم زبلو ስለዚህ እዚ ክርዳእና ክኽእል ኣለዎ ስለዚ ንኹሉ ነገር ተሰማሚዕካ ተሳኒኻ እዩ ሓደ ወዲ ተባዕታይ ኮይኑ ኣነ መግቢ ክሰርሕ በቃ ንስኻት ካልእ ነገራትካ ግበር ፀገም ዘሎ ኣይኮነን ዝብል እንድሕርኽ ይብካ ጽቡቕ ተሳኒኻ ማለት እዩ ግን እዚ ካብ ሚልዮን ሓደ ሰብ ተዘይኮይኑ ዝበዝሐ ወዲ ተባዕታይ ከምኡ ኣይኮነን ስለዚ ኣብ ባይታ ዘሎ ነገር ኢና ንዛረብ ዘለና كورات قاتل رؤيتهم كصحافو لي يسكم رؤيتهم صحافو لي رؤيتهم بفلاي تندق انسي رؤيتهم صحافه انتاي تدليت كنسي انتايو كماي كاي مسلكم زعبا ز غداي زي اب كومنت يراخبنا قوي قادا خاي تبزحنبا من كتالكم دامسكونكو اب قصاني